Hi, this is Jeannie from Jean Home Decor and More. Wanted to come on here and wish you all a very wonderful, happy, and safe Thanksgiving holiday. I wanted to do a quick tour of where I am in this Thanksgiving Christmas process because yes, it is a process. It's a process. So I just wanted to kind of bring you along with me to see where I am so far. I haven't finished decorating. I have a few more things to bring up. There's some things that I didn't bring up. I'm sure the same with a lot of you guys. So I'm going to take you on this little tour of my space just to see where I am. Today I'm making some candied yams, or as I mentioned before, my mom used to say candied sweets. I don't know what you guys say, but I'm going to make some candied yams. And I'm also going to make a pineapple upside down cake and some mac and cheese today. So that's why I want to hop on here real quick to wish you all a happy Thanksgiving and take you on a quick zoom around of what I have so far for Thanksgiving and Christmas, okay? Okay guys, I thought I would start off with my Thanksgiving table. I mentioned to you earlier that I thought I would set my Thanksgiving table up in my dining room, but the color scheme didn't work. I thought that my Thanksgiving decor, my flower arrangement, my napkin holders, the pumpkins, I thought that they worked better in my kitchen nook simply because of the wall color. I'm like a real stickler for a color palette or a color scheme, and I just kind of thought it looked better in here. So this flower arrangement, I had it in the dining room on my little buffet, and I took that out and moved it in here. I have my thankful and blessed sign here. I moved my pumpkins back in here. The placemats and napkin chargers. The placemats I've had for quite some time. Can't remember where I got those from. The chargers, I would say I got those from Hobby Lobby. They were, I don't know, maybe $2.99 with 60% off. Those little cute, look at these little turkey napkin rings, aren't they cute? I got those from Home Goods. I can't remember how much they cost, but that's what they were. That's where I got those from. The napkins, I got those from Hobby Lobby as well. The stemware, as I mentioned before in the previous video, I got those from my mom before she passed. So not a lot going on here on this table. This is my everyday plates. These are my everyday plates, and I thought that I would keep them on the table, on this table, because I think that to be honest with you guys, I have some paper plates that are decorative for Thanksgiving, so I will use those. But I wanted to put this out here just to give you some inspiration and kind of show you, just shop your home, for whatever you have in your home, and get to create and see what you can come up with. It's all about the look, you want it to be inviting for Thanksgiving. So that's what I have going on here. I would say this is simple yet elegant. I didn't put my sterling silver salt and pepper shakers on the table yet. I will do that. And again, I have my little Jamaican dog. She comes with me. I have different ones. As you can see, she's different. I like her too. She's pretty. So in any event, this is what I have here. Just simple and elegant. So what do you think, you guys? Let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, guys, in here in my entryway, I have a poinsettia arrangement, the Merry Christmas sign that I got from HomeSense, and those tabletop Christmas trees. I most likely purchased most of those from Home Goods over the years, so I've had them for quite some time. So I didn't want to. I used to have a lot of them on the table on this credenza, but I decided to scale down, move them around some. So this is what I have here. Just simple, just simple, but I think it still looks nice. Okay, so I'm going to move around. Here's my little DIY Christmas mannequin. I put her in here. I thought that was cute. I'm not sure if she'll stay in here, but Christmas decorating, I would say, is a process. So this is where she's residing for now. I have some Christmas pillows that I picked up with the Christmas trees. I got those from Big Lots. The Merry and Bright, I got that from Home Goods. The Merry and Bright pillow, I had that for quite some time. So that's nothing new. And then this pillow here, I also got that from Big Lots. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep these Christmas tree pillows in here, but for right now, because I am rushing, guys. I'm rushing to try to cook dinner and decorate all at the same time. So this is what we do. I'm sure I'm not the only one. I'm sure you guys can totally relate. And here's my new skinny Christmas tree. And what I did, the last video, I only had gold on here, but as you can see, I added some red ornament accent pieces, some red ornaments on here, just to kind of give it a little bit more of a, festive flavor. And down here is Santa Claus. He moves around. Then I have a little snowman man, and his little girlfriend is over there in the corner. Now, when I put these here, my little granddaughters, they're like 6 and 2. They're almost 3. Last year they took one home. So I don't know if these will stay here. They may want to take them home, but I have them out here. I mean, Christmas is for kids, but I think that they will enjoy them. So this is what I have. Now check this out, guys. I put this ribbon on here. Now, I love ribbon. I don't want it to be all over my little entire skinny tree. I thought it was nice at the top. Now, my husband wanted to find a star. So the top is left, blank for now, because he said he wanted to find a star. So I'm going to let him do that. I'm going to let him do that. Christmas is for everyone, not just for me decorating. So the star is on him. He's out now probably going around looking for a star. But anyway, I thought this tree turned out nice. Most of the ornaments, as I mentioned to you, I got from the Dollar Tree. But this is this pretty ornament I got from Hobby Lobby. I think there were 6 in the pack. $13.99 with 60% off. And these other little picks here, I got those from the Dollar Tree. These little crystallized ornaments, these little balls here, these are so pretty, guys. I got these also from Hobby Lobby. But these other little Christmas ornaments like these, I've had for a long time. Look at these down here, guys. They came from the Dollar Tree. Can you believe it? Or Dollar General? Which is it? Dollar Tree, Dollar General. So this goes to show you that you can create a nice looking Christmas tree without breaking the bank. I love this flocked skinny Christmas tree. I know some of you guys call them pencil trees, skinny trees. I love this. This is the first real skinny tree that I have, but I really like this, guys. It's I think it's 7 feet, maybe 7.5 feet. But it's a flock tree, and like I said, I got it from Amazon. It wasn't that expensive. So that's what I have going on here. And then moving around here, I put my sleigh on the table with Santa. The Santa I've had for a while. The greenery, of course, I got that from Hobby Lobby. The Christmas, little Christmas ornament ring, I got those from Ross. The greenery from Hobby Lobby, I've had those for a while. Did I just say that? I'm thinking about what else I have to do, guys. The poinsettias I've had for a while. The sleigh I got last year from Hobby Lobby. And here's my little reindeer. I don't know why I put him back here. I should have put him in the front, but he came from Ross as well. So I'll move him. And you see, I'm still trying to work with the bows. And I added some gold leaves to this little tree here that lights up. I added some gold leaves to that, and I think that should be pretty. And I know that I will move my bar cart from in front of this mirror, but after the holidays, because I like the Christmas tree, tabletop trees against the, you know, the mosaic mirror. I do like that. So I'm going to leave them there for now. So that's what I have, you know, going on in my dining room for right now. And you can see that this is a better look, you know, with the walls and everything. You know, that's why I said I like this paint on the wall. This is Accessible Beige by Sherwin-Williams, and we got this year from Lowe's. I love this paint. It's nice and neutral, and you know, anything goes with it. So I do like that. Over here, I have my little reindeer I got from Burlington Coat Factory. On that table is another tabletop tree. Probably can't see it in the back there. Let me see if I can move it up a little bit. And the greenery, of course, from Hobby Lobby. And so here's that. So that's what I have going on in here. So kind of moving around. Here's some more of those tabletop trees. I put him up here for now. And Santa's at the top of the tree with the little mouse right there. So I have him there and kind of swinging around. Let me let you guys see. I don't want to make you dizzy here. So here's what I have. I have my little Christmas tier tray. I have a little gnome. Not big on gnomes. I know a lot of people love gnomes. If you like it, I love it. I have two. I have a little Santa gnome back there. Where's your hat, Santa? There's his hat. So I have a little Christmas gnome, a Santa gnome. I have a little red truck back there, a little greenery and a pot. I got that from Hobby Lobby. This little thing right here. I don't see how much is this. Let's see if the price is still on it. No, I think it was like $5.99. I want to say it was $10, but I think it ended up being $5.99. And this little Linux candle holder, I've had that for years. My little angel, and I have the little red cardinal there because my mother loved birds, and my mother passed in 2021. So I try to incorporate things that I know that my mom would have enjoyed. Miss you, Mom. I miss you. And of course, over here I have my little nutcracker. That's a sweet potato pie over there. And up here I have my little wreath. And you can see I have some sweet potatoes there that I fixed and kind of coming around. You see I'm got my mixer out. More sweet potatoes, and here's the pineapples and cherries for my pineapple upside down cake. So that's where we are in here. So I have some bulbs here I haven't put up. I don't know where I'm going to put them yet, but that's that. So that's where we are with that. These yams here, I'm going to make yams. I have a really nice yam recipe. I can add it to the description if anybody is interested. Let me know. A lot of people love my candied yams. Okay guys, and here's my tree. Isn't that a pretty tree? Oh, look at that. That is really pretty. I do have one other thing I need to add in here. I have to bring it up from the basement. And I actually didn't have any flocked garland, so I have ordered that. I'm waiting for that to come in. So I'm still, Christmas is still in the process here, you know, of decorating. So I'm waiting for that. I kind of feel like, you know, I have regular garland, but you can have regular garland with a flocked tree. So I had to order some regular garland to kind of make it, you know, complimentary. That's my word, complimentary. It has to click. So that's what I have going on here. And, you know, I have a lot of pretty picks on here, like this one I got from Michael's. The ribbon I got from Michael's. And these little white flower picks, I got those from the Dollar Tree. And This little one here I got from the Dollar Tree. These picks at the top, I got those from Michael's. And these darker teal poinsettias, I most likely will take them out and put them on my flocked garland when it comes in. I just didn't want to forget about it, so I stuck it up there for now. And here's some more Dollar Tree ornaments. This one, probably I got from Target. And this joy sign, I got that from the Dollar Tree. But isn't that a pretty tree? Ooh, I like that with the different hues of blue. It's really pretty. You know, it's like soft. Blue is like is that a comfort color? A soft color? And I have my little deer over here with his blue bow. The angel, I've had those for some while, and I have some Christmas fur back there that I got from Hobby Lobby. And some more tabletop Christmas trees. And Santa. And somehow or another, I have to put something. When I get that garland, I will cover up this cord. But when we put the TV up there, we had all the cords in the wall except for Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime, we had to connect it. And so I'll have to cover that up with some garland, but I will do that. I don't want that to be showing. So that's what I have going on, guys, so far. For, you see the toys, right? So that's what I have going on so far for the holidays. You know, that's what I have. So you guys have a wonderful holiday, and I will see you on the other side of Thanksgiving. Be safe, enjoy, and don't eat too much. Bye-bye. Gobble, gobble.